This video I will be sharing with you new data entry project which I got on Upwork. So first I will be showing the client instruction and then I will be showing you how to work on the project. Okay, so first guys, here is the client instruction. He is saying that hello, I am looking for a list of information on the active attorney with the last name from A to F. Okay, practice in Pennsylvania, United States. Okay, please use this website. Okay, and he also provided me this link. Okay guys, and then he's saying that on this site, please navigate to last name field and type A. You will see a list of attorney. I only require the active attorney. Okay, so then he said I require the following information about each individual. Okay, and then he said the name, company, address, and phone number. Okay, so the project are a little bit complicated if you don't watch complete video. So that's why I will be recommending you that please try to watch complete video so that you understand the whole process. Okay, so first guys, I will just copy this URL. Okay, I will just copy this website URL. Okay, and then I will open the Google, and then here guys I will just paste this. So before that guys, I want to tell you something that this website is not working in my country, and maybe it's also not working in your country too if you are living in Asia. So you will need guys to use a VPN. Okay, so I have already opened start the VPN here, and you can see I have just select the New Zealand country here. You can see guys, so you will also need to use any VPN because in some country maybe the website are not working, but our job is to collect lead for client. Okay, because we are doing this work for other country client, so it's our responsibility to complete the process and use technique to complete the project. Okay, so for this guys we will need to use any free VPN. Okay, so anyway, I hope you understand. Now guys, you can see the website has been opened. And if you have just saw the client instruction here, you can see he's saying that on the site please navigate to a last name field and type A. Okay, so here guys we will just click here. Okay, and we will click here last name, and here guys we will just tap A. Okay, after that guys, then you will need to click here search. Okay, so after doing that guys, now you will need to wait a few seconds, and now you will see a lot of data here guys. Okay guys, so now you can see we got this data. There is 3,906 leads. Okay, so you can see guys, there are a lot of data, and there are also some other pages which we will be going through. Okay, so first guys, as you already saw the client instruction, here he's saying that I need a list data from Pennsylvania. Okay, so we will be only collecting data from this city, and here he also mentioned that I need only active leads. Okay, here you can see I only require the active attorneys. Okay guys, so we'll be collecting only active leads. So here guys, if you just see the first one, it's mentioned an active. Okay, and this is also mentioned administration suspension. Okay, and then if I just see this one, it's saying that active, so this one is also active. And if I just go down, active, then suspension. Okay, and below I also retire, also administration suspension. Okay, administrative suspension, and then retire. Okay, so we don't need to collect this guys, we only need to collect the active one. Okay, so here you can see this one is active one. So let's guys open this one. Okay, and also open the below one, and then also this one too. Okay, so we have opened this 3 and now let's also open this one too. Let's open all of them which are available in the first page. Okay, which are active guys. So let's go down, this one is also active. So in the first page guys, we got only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we only got 6 leads. Okay, so let's open the first one guys. So here you can see we got this one, and also the address is also Pennsylvania, so this one is the correct lead guys. Okay, so here now our job is to collect the name. Okay guys, so first we will start from here, just copy the name. Okay, just copy the first and middle name guys. Okay, and then paste it here, and we will also copy the last name, the last name, so this is their last name. Okay guys, we will also copy this one and we will paste it there. Okay, so let Okay, let's paste it here. Okay, so guys, now we will copy their company name. So guys, if you just go down here, here you can see it's mentioned employer. Okay, so this is their company name. Okay, so we will just copy this name, guys, and then we will paste it here on the company section. Okay, and now we will copy their address and also their phone number. So now let's copy their address, guys. So we will just copy this whole address. Okay, just copy the whole address and then paste it here. Okay, and now we will copy their phone number. Okay, so here guys, you can see their contact number is also available. So just copy the contact number. Okay, and then paste it here. Okay guys, so you saw it's very simple project, but there are some important things which you need to consider. You need to copy only data from Pennsylvania. Okay, so from this city which the client has been shared with us. Okay, so the first one is complete. Now let's cut this one. Now let's see this one. So here this one is also the same, guys. We will also copy data from this one. Okay, so let's copy. Okay, let's copy the name. Okay guys, so this is their name. Yeah, we can also copy the whole name and then we will cut there. Okay, so let's copy the name and we will paste it here. Let's copy this one name and paste it in the last. Okay, okay guys, now we will copy their company name. So here is their company name. You can see, guys, so this is their company name. We will copy the company name and we will paste it there. Okay, so let's go down, guys, and here you can see it's their location address. Okay, so just copy the location address and then paste it here. Okay, now we will copy their contact number. So here is their contact number. Okay, so just copy the contact number, guys, and then paste it here. Now we will move to the next entry and I will cut this one too. Now let's go down, guys, and here you can see the location are also similar. So let me open the another one. So if I just go down here, this is also good. Let's see this one also is good. We will also collect data from this one and then not this one, because this one is different, guys. You can see, okay, the address are different. We only need data from Pennsylvania. Okay guys, from this one, because this is the client instruction, guys, so we will be following this. Okay, so here you can see, guys, if I just copy the address, and here, guys, if I just control plus F and if I just control plus V, here you can see the address is not available. Okay, so let's okay guys, so it's mean we will be not collecting lead from this one. Okay, so I will just remove this one and we will collect lead from this two of them. Okay guys, so I will just copy the first and last name, this one, or I mean the first and middle name. Okay, so I will just paste it here. Okay, and then I will copy the last name. Okay, and then paste it here. And also, guys, there are some option like this 3LL, so you can also copy and paste it there. Okay, now we will copy their name. So I think the name are, both of the name are similar, guys. You can see this name and this one, I think they are the same. So we will just click on it and the name will be also down. Okay, and let's see the address. So let's copy the address. Okay, copy and then paste it here. Okay, now we will copy their contact number. So to copy the contact number, here you can see add their telephone number. So just copy copy and paste it here. Okay, very simple guys. You saw we complete 3 entry. Now let me do another entry also so that you understand. So here is the name. We will just copy the name guys. This is the first and this one is their middle name and this one is the last name. Okay, so we will copy the complete name here. Okay, copy and paste, and then guys just copy their company name. So here you can see their company name is different. Okay, so this is belong from any other company, so just copy their company name and then paste it here. Okay, and then guys we'll just go down. Okay, so here you can see it's their address name, so just copy the address name and then paste it here. Okay, now we will move to the next entry. Okay, now we will copy his contact number. Okay, so just copy the number and then paste it here. Okay, very good. Now we will go down and now we will also cut this one too. And now guys here you can see we will also copy this one data. Okay, so let's copy the complete name, paste it here, then cut the last name guys. Okay, and then paste it here. Okay, and remove comma from the end. Now guys we will just copy their business name. So if I just go down here, you can see it's their company name, so just copy and then paste it here. Now we will copy the business name, sorry, the address, so just copy the address. Okay, and then paste it here. Now we will copy his contact number, so here is contact number guys, just copy the contact number and then paste it here. Okay, very good. So guys you saw that the process are very simple, but you need to consider only extract the data which are related to this project. Okay, so after completing this data guys, now we will move to the next page. So I will just click here, page number 2. Okay, and now you will need to wait a second so that the page has been loaded. So now you can see guys we got this data, and now we will open the first list. Okay, you can see it's saying active. You will need to open this one, then again you will need to go down. Here you can see it's saying active, again active, then you will need to go down. Here you can see again it's saying active, just open this one and also this one, go down, active, open this one too, open it and open this page too, and go down, active, active. Okay, so very simple guys. You will need just to hold the control button in your keyboard and you will need to click on the entry which you want to open in a new page. Okay, then go down. Here you can see guys, so we got around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So we got 14 businesses guys, leads. So we will be collecting now all of them and we will be focusing only on this the following city like Pennsylvania. Okay guys, so we'll be only collecting data from this city. If there's any other city, then you will need to skip it. Okay, so if I just go down guys, here you can see the city is different guys. Look at, they are from a different city, so we will not collect this one. Okay, we will skip this one. Okay, then you will need to wait until the new one is open. Okay, so just wait and see guys. So now I will go down. Here you can see this one is correctly because this is from Pennsylvania. Okay guys, so now we will copy and paste this data. Okay, so you will need to copy this first. This is their name and then this one is their last name, and then you will need to go down and copy their employer name which are company name. Okay, and then address and then contact number. Okay, and then you will need to go to the new one. Okay, and then also do repeat the process again and again. Okay, and then go down here. You can see this one is also from the same Pennsylvania. Okay guys, so just copy this one too, also their company name and then guys here the person name. So this is the person name, okay, and then you will need to paste this one too in the last. Okay, so the process are very simple guys. I hope you understand, you can do this work. So anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.